Hey guys, welcome to Natural Favorite C. Long time no see. I couldn't post last week because some things were going on and so I was preoccupied and I couldn't post. But today I am recording for another post. Before we start, let us just click on that subscribe button down below or on the screen, and also like and make sure you comment after this video or during this video. So today we are going to be doing a ponytail, a fake ponytail with weave on. I made this cornrow at the front, but I left half of my hair at the back. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be gelling it up like in layers, because if I gel everything up at the same time, it won't stay or hold the way I want it to. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video, and I'm actually preparing to go on a photo shoot right now, and I like how the style came out. It actually came out really good and I love it. Okay, bye guys, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and come back and watch next week. Bye.
I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we